Children, now let's meet some new friends. First, meet Hero Horse.
Hello, I am Hero. I am a horse. I can run fast, but I cannot fly.
You have already met Keisha Cat before. Let's hear what she has to say.
Hi, I am Keisha. I am a cat. I can run. I can jump. I can even climb a tree. But I cannot hop on one leg.
Now, let's meet Ruchi.
Hello, I am Ruchi. I can read. I can write. I can do sums. But I cannot drive a car.
Let's meet our last guest, Biru Buffalo.
I am Biru. I am a buffalo. I can run. I can swim. I can climb a hill too. But I cannot climb a tree.